In this video lecture, I am going to prove that sin square a plus sin p power 4a equal to 1. The given is, here the given is cos a plus cos square a is the given equal to 1. So cos a equal to cos square a. Now here we can write cos a, and this I am going to move on the right. So we can write 1 minus cos a square a, and 1 minus cos a square a, we have the formula about sin square a. Now thereafter taking the LHS left hand side. So on the left hand side, sin a square a plus sin power 4a, this is the left hand side. Now from this I am going to take the common sin square a. Sin square a is the common, so we can write 1 plus sin square a. Now here this is sin square a, so 1 plus sin square a is the left. Now thereafter let's put here sin square a, going to put cos a. So this place we can write cos a, and here 1 plus cos a square a, sorry cos a, sin square a equal to cos a. Now thereafter let's multiply cos a and cos a square a. So cos square a we can write 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a we can write 1 minus sin square a. And here since cos a equal to sin square a, right here cos a sin square a. This is plus 1 minus sin square a. Sin square a cancel, it comes 1. So this place there I use here cos a equal to sin a square a. Okay, so here 1 minus sin square a cos a, this place that I use. So cos a place we can write sin square a, and here this is sin square a, and this place also we used. So in the bracket you should write cos a equal to sin square a. So sin square a plus we can write cos a. So see, after doing some calculation here, it's a proof. So cos a plus cos a square a. So here we can write cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Put the value of cos a, that is sin square a, and after that sin square a cancel, it comes 1. So here we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to 1. So it's proved. One time going to repeat. Write the given cos a plus cos square a. Cos a we can write 1 minus cos square a. It move on the right, plus change to minus. Cos a equal to sin square a. Thereafter take the LHS. Sin square a plus sin power 4a. Sin square is the common, 1 plus sin square a. So here next is so convert to sin square a into cos form. So here sin square a equal to cos a. So in place of sin square a we can write cos a. After that multiply this cos a plus cos square a. Thereafter convert cos square a into sin form. So 1 minus sin square a, we have the formula about cos square a, because here we know cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. This is the formula. So cos square a here it's equal to 1 minus sin square a. There I put. Now thereafter here this sin form, let's change cos a into sin. So cos a equal to sin square a, put after that. It's a plus, that's a minus, that's cancel, and 1 return. So this is the simplest way we can prove this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.